This was Suriya Namaskar B or Sun Salutation B, which comes right after Sun Salutation A in the primary series of Ashtanga Yoga. A couple of things to keep in mind during Suriya Namaskar B is, one, of course, synchronize your breath with your movement to make the asanas come much easier to you. Number two is, when you come to the front of your mat, make sure to ground your feet, bring all 10 toes and your heels to touch the mat, and push yourself down. Make sure to roll your shoulders back and then palm to heart center. Then we come to Utkatasana, which is the lightning pose or chair pose. Bend your knees and bring your palms to the sky. Make sure that your tailbone is not protruding and it is tucked in. Just like Suriya Namaskar A, we go into forward fold, we go into lift, we go into Chaturanga Dandasana, and then up dog, and then down dog. For one breath, before we go into warrior pose, what you do is you bring your right leg forward in between your palms. Turn your foot at the back to 45 degrees, and then you bring your body up, slow and steady. Take your palms to the sky. Make sure that you're not leaning back, but that you are lengthening your spine to the top of the room. This is your warrior pose, or Virubhadasana 1. One more thing we need to keep in mind for warrior pose is that your leg, your ankle should be below your knee. It shouldn't be protruding outside. It shouldn't be straight. It should be bent, and as much as possible, keep your leg perpendicular to the floor. The back hip should not be rotated outside. It should be rotated to the front. Face the front, and then bring your palms to the sky. From warrior 1, we go back to down dog. Make sure that you're not dragging your leg. Make sure that you're lifting your leg, and go to Chaturanga Dandasana, up dog, down dog, and again warrior 1 with your left leg. Bring your left leg to the front. Turn your back leg 45 degrees. Turn your hips to the front of the room. Bend. Bring your palms to the sky. Warrior 1 on the left side. Bring your palms down. Take your left leg back. Chaturanga. Up dog. Down dog for 5 counts for Sun B. Now that was the breakdown of Sun Salutation B or Suriya Namaskar B. Listen to your body and attend to its needs. If at any point during the flow you feel like your body needs rest, then please feel free to go into child's pose. Bring your knees to the floor, palms in front of you. Sit on top of your heels, bring your toes to touch and your chest to the floor. This is wide-legged child's pose. Take as long as you need for your body to recover. And then join the practice when you feel you are ready. Now I'm going to take you through Sun Salutation B one last time. Make sure to synchronize your breath with your movement. Ground yourself. Draw your shoulders back. Tuck your tailbone in, not protruding, in. Palms to heart center. Eyes forward. Drishti towards the tip of your nose. And begin. Inhale. Exhale. 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 And down dog, inhale and exhale for 5 rounds. Make sure to push yourself on the mat and tilt your tailbone to the sky. Bring your heels to the mat. Take your navel or your belly button towards your spine and breathe. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. That was Sun Salutation B or Suriya Namaskar B. If you want to see more videos on Ashtanga Yoga and more basic postures, then please like and subscribe to this channel.